Hey everyone, Anita Fanita here. Welcome to I Love Etsy List 10 series. I think this is episode 10. I hope you're all having a great weekend. I was a bit lazy this week, so I haven't listed much. But yesterday I took a much needed day off and just rested the whole day. It's very important to, especially resellers and everybody else, to take at least one day off, just to refresh. I feel so good today because I'm refreshed and I really didn't do anything yesterday. which which is not not something to brag about, but it's sometimes it's necessary to take breaks. And please take breaks. Don't wear yourselves out working. Okay, so I'm not going to show the items that have sold. A few items did sell, but I did already ship them out, and I did miss a couple of days of this, so I'm just going to show you the items that I have listed. Okay, I don't want to take up too much of your time. I'm going to show some that I've actually had messages about to list, so I did go ahead and do those, and one of them was this one here. It's a cute little squirrel necklace pendant here. It's so cute, and it has some enameling on it also. And this one I listed for $12. And as you guys know, I do put the 20% off sale on it, so it is going to be 20% off the prices that I'm telling you. So this is really cute, and I did sell one of these with a different pose. Uh, I think it was about a month ago. So I have, oops, and the necklace on it I think was 23 inches. It'll say in the listing how long the necklace is, but it's pretty long. Okay, the next one here is this leaf bracelet that I got so many messages on, and I did go ahead and list this one also, and I put this one for 10 because it's not sterling silver, it's just silver tone and it has a hinge, but it is very pretty. When you wear it, it does give that statement that you need. Okay, and then we have this one here also. I got multiple messages to list it. I did like it, and I have so many brass rings and rings for myself that I think it would be better just to go ahead and list it and send it to somebody that's going to love it as much. And this one here was, I think, a size 6.5, and I listed this for 15. And remember that that's not including the 20%. Okay, the next one here is this one. It's called Sweet Romance. It's a very pretty crystal pink stone here, and the video is not doing it justice. It's very pretty, and it is gold tone, and it has a little tag here, and this is pretty here, and a little crystal here too. So this one I put for 10. The next one is this I put it on an 18-inch chain here, and it is, what was it called again? It's called a chime. Let me see, harmony chime. It is made of sterling silver, and it does make this chime noise, and it does have red enameling on it. So I listed this one for, let's see, now I lost the listing, didn't I? I think this one was 25 that I put it up for. Okay, the next one I have are these wolf earrings. I know everybody likes the wolves and the howling wolves, and these are just silver toned, and they do have cutouts. They do look like they are somebody made. They are handmade. And this one I put for $12. Okay, next one I have here is the Swarovski dolphin. It's two dolphins pin, very cute, and it does have the little swan hallmark in the back. And I listed this one for 12. And then we have this one here, 18-inch beaded necklace here. These actually feel like wood, but the necklace itself, it's made out of all, I did test it, it's sterling silver, and I do love the clasp on this one. I listed this one for $18, and I'm pretty sure just the clasp alone over here, this very pretty toggle flower clasp, is probably $15 just on its own. And I'm not sure what the beads are, but they do feel like wood. And again, it's 18 inches, and I put this one for 18. Next, I have a pearl necklace here that I put for 18. And I'm not sure what the stone is. It does look like a quartz. I could be wrong. And these are peacock purplish color stones. And I did put this for 18, and I will send these cute little matching earrings as a gift with the necklace. The next one I have here is the bracelet. It's 7.5 inches, and it does have a cabochon on here with it, and doesn't show in the video, but it does have a really dark blood red kind of stone here in the center, and it is marked. It is 3 strands, and I listed this one for $28. And I think that's it here. Yep, that's it for today. And I'm just going to add this on here too. This one I'm going to send as a gift. I forgot to say. I'm going to send this one as a gift with this necklace as well, and the earrings. And it's going to be all for 18. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this every week. I'm not every week, but at least every other day. I know it's impossible to do every single day. I try to do every single day, but with time and listing and me not missing out on my YouTube videos, watching my YouTube videos, I don't have too much time to do them every day, but I will do them every other day. So, and I'm going to make it into a series where I'll also be giving you tips on how to do listings and how to what keywords to use and things like that about things about Etsy in general. I am doing very well on Etsy. I'm very happy to be on Etsy. Etsy for me right now is the best platform where I sell my items, and I'm happy to do this series. So if you guys have any questions, please put them down in the link. I have so many items. I'm not sure what to list. Please give me an idea in the comments. Do you want me to list more sterling silver? Do you want rings, earrings, bracelets? Let me know what type of items that you're interested in, and I'll try. Well, not try. I will add those in in my next video. So go ahead and do that. And okay, and now I want to talk about this really pretty ring. I did post it in my Instagram, and I did post it also on my Facebook story. I got this a while back. Sandy made it for me from Just Sandy. She did use here, as you can see it already, the fire and the opal over here. There's opal, and then she did use this really nice big chunk of lapis on here, and then also the coral pieces. She made this for me. I did order, well, I would call it an order it from her, and I just told her that I wanted something in modern looking, and she created this lovely piece of jewelry for me. I really love it, and of course she does sign the back of the jewelry pieces. I'm gonna put her link below today. She does have auctions every Friday where she does include a few of her pieces that she does make, and she does also on her channel pretty much every day, if not every day, every other day. She what she does is she shows the whole process of how she's making the jewelry, and she basically, when you watch her, you see the jewelry being made and coming to life right in front of you. And her auctions are every Friday at 7 Central. So I'm going to put the link down below for you. This is one of the masterpieces that I got. Of course, I did purchase a few more, which I will wear in my next video as well. I'll wear the other piece that I have. The other one is I'm going to say this wrong again. I know I'm going to say it wrong. The other one is a labradorite. I know I said it wrong. A lot of people call it a labradorite, and that's what I was calling it. But there is another. The correct term is something else, but I know I butchered it for sure. So I will wear the other pieces. And again, if you have any questions, please list them below. This is Anita Fanita. Hope you guys had fun. And thank you to everybody who's been purchasing from me. And please keep those Etsy links coming. Put your Etsy link below in the comments as well. It doesn't matter if you sell jewelry or other items. I will put your links as soon as you send them to me. This is Anita Fanita. Hope you guys had fun. And please take rest. Take breaks. You can't imagine how refreshed I feel today. I feel really good. I have a lot to do today, and I'm going to get to it. But please go ahead and take your breaks. It's very important for you guys to get rest. And I didn't know how much it was necessary until I took that whole day off yesterday. And of course, vacations are necessary too. But if we can't do that, we can at least take a day or two of break to rest. Hope you guys had fun. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye.